in today's video, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube music on your Alexa Echo Dot. Whether you want to listen to your favorite playlist, album, or just want some background music, I've got you covered, so let's get started. Before we start, make sure that you have the YouTube Music app and an active YouTube Music account. You'll also need to have the Alexa app installed on your phone and your Echo Dot set up and connected. Now, if you haven't set up your Echo Dot yet, you can follow the prompts in the Alexa app to do so. Now, let's link the YouTube Music to your Alexa device. Open the Alexa app and tap on the More icon in the bottom corner. Next, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under the Settings menu, tap on Music and Podcast. Now, you'll want to add YouTube Music as your default music service. Tap on Link New Service, then choose YouTube Music from the list of available music services. Now, once your YouTube Music is linked, you're ready to start playing music. Just say a command like Alexa, play some song on YouTube Music, and Alexa will now play your music from YouTube Music. And that's it. That's how you enjoy YouTube Music on your Alexa Echo Dot. Just ask Alexa to play your favorite tunes and you're good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.